Every week, new products launch, new affiliates earn commissions, and most people miss the opportunity completely. Meet Launch Goblin. He finds launches too late, misses commissions, and starts from scratch every time. Maybe you've tried affiliate marketing, but nobody clicks, nobody buys, and every launch feels impossible. Then Launch Goblin discovered a simple launch jacking system, one built around a repeatable process, not luck. Find product launches worth promoting, ignore the junk. Focus on opportunities. Use proven outreach templates. Even beginners can increase approval chances. Build review pages. Offer bonuses. Become the obvious choice. Publish content. Send emails. Capture attention before launch day. The same process works over and over again. Each launch becomes easier. The goal isn't one launch. It's building a repeatable system. LaunchJacker AI packages this process into a complete system with templates, AI tools, and training. I've written a complete preview covering everything included. Read the article below on the description section of this video and decide whether LaunchJacker AI is right for you.